declare this territory to be under the direct rule of myself and my Macedonian troops.
I sent you back last night. Say yes this time.
What?
Spare no pen.
I hardly dare say to any senior red.
Whom have you come to?
I was curious to see Commander on his adventures in the Alpine Mountains.
Get out of here, I will.
My body would drop down to exhaustion. How long had I been delayed? I had no way of recovering. Would I be able to reach the port before the Dutch boat sailed? Did the port even exist, or was it another family?